You know that dreaded moment when you look down and all of a sudden your phone is dead? Well, I have the solution for that problem. I'm Kayla with WTI, and I've been keeping this portable charger from penaover on me at all times. It's been so nice for everyday use and for travel too. This one is really amazing because everything's already built in. It's slim and compact, and it has the cables right attached to it, so I don't need to pack anything extra or worry about not having the right cord. For me, a big deal was it has a wall plug built into it. It's 10,000 milliamp per hour, so it holds a good charge for the day, and it charges my devices super fast, especially my phone. And the little screen on the outside, it shows me exactly how much battery I have left. I recently took this while we were traveling, and I love the fact that I could use it to charge up any of our devices. I never worried that anything was going to die when we were out and about, and it was honestly a lifesaver. I don't leave home without this portable charger anymore. It's all in one, compact, and extremely practical. But that's just my point of view.